Hi guys, Jeff here again from TAP. Just wanted to share a quick little thing with you that we encountered this week in the workshop. Again, this is about comparing new parts with the ones you're replacing. So again, this was on a VW Beetle, 99 model Beetle, and we were replacing the door actuator. So I got the original genuine part from VW, a common sort of issue, couldn't get the door open, the actuator had worn out. Now again, I got personally caught with this one, fitting the new one in. I put it all the way in, went to put the handle back on again to find out this particular cable is much, much longer than the original one. So really take your time to compare the new part with the old part to make sure that they are identical. I didn't do that in this particular case, so I then have to take the lock back out again and actually work out that you can actually replace or remove this particular part. So this particular cable does come out from the system, so I was then able to remove the one from the new part and swap it over with this one. So this part here is actually off the new door actuator that we got. I've had to remove the other one off the old one and put it on this particular one. So a quick look, everything looked fine, but the length of this was actually different. So again, just a quick little tip with any part you're replacing. Have a really good look. I got caught this week by not looking close enough, by fitting a part into a door. Luckily, it wasn't too big a job for me to remove it again, but again, I had to have it removed to replace or transpose this part from the existing one onto the new one. So again, just to reiterate, with any part you're replacing, be it a spark plug or a control module or a door actuator like this one, take your time, have a good look, make sure that they are identical and that it's going to be the right part for the job and that all the other parts are on it. So quick little tip, worth slowing down to make sure that the part you're putting in is identical to the one you're replacing. So hopefully that helps you out, guys. If you're a TAP member, don't forget utilise all the resources at tap.net.au. If you're not, maybe think about joining up with the many other thousands of technicians across Australia and around the world, really sharing information, knowledge and experience. See you next time.